In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for plagiarism in Grammarly. Ensuring the originality of your writing is crucial, whether you're working on an academic paper, a professional document, or even a blog post. Grammarly is a fantastic tool that can help you maintain that originality by quickly and effectively checking for any unintentional plagiarism. First things first, you'll need to open Grammarly and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's free to sign up, and they offer various plans tailored to different needs, so make sure to choose the one that fits you best. Once you've logged in, you should see the main dashboard. This is where you can begin to upload your text. Now, there are two ways to get your document into Grammarly. You can either copy and paste your text directly into the editor, which is handy for shorter pieces, or upload the entire document if you're working with a lengthier project. To upload, simply click on the Upload button, select your file, and it will appear in Grammarly's text editor for analysis. Once your text is in the editor, direct your attention to the right panel. Here, you'll notice several features Grammarly offers, clearly designed to enhance your writing. But today we're focusing on the plagiarism feature. Locate the plagiarism button, which is usually situated about halfway down the panel. It's designed to be easy to find so you can check your text quickly and without hassle. With a simple click on the plagiarism button, Grammarly will start scanning your document. The tool is incredibly detailed. It analyzes your writing against billions of web pages to identify any areas that might require citations. This process might take a few moments depending on the length of your document, so be patient as it runs its checks. As the scan process wraps up, Grammarly will provide two main outputs. First, it will highlight any text in your document that matches other content online, giving you a clear indication of what needs attention. Secondly, it provides a percentage score to show how much of your text could be considered unoriginal. This feature is an excellent guide to help you understand how much of your content stands out as unique and what areas may need revising. Checking for plagiarism is not just about avoiding penalties, it's about upholding integrity in your writing. By regularly using this feature, you ensure your content remains authentically yours, thereby boosting your credibility as a writer. That wraps up this tutorial on using Grammarly's plagiarism checker. Thanks for joining, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your writing process.